Good morning, children. How are you? Are you fine? Very good. All of you open your course book. Amma, open your English course book. Today I am going to explain about the active voice and passive voice. Yesterday I explained about the simple present, how to change into past voice. Did you remember that? I'll give one example to you. What is the structure of simple present tense? Subject plus verb first form plus object. When it is changing into passive voice, this is the active voice structure. Active voice. Passive voice structure is object. Subject turn into object. Subject turn into object. And if it is a verb first form, we have to use am, is, or as the helping verbs. And verb third form, by plus subject. This is structure now. I'll give one example. I here he opens the door. He yesterday it's so complicated, no? He lights the candles. He lights the candles. Amma, what is the subject? Who lights the candles? He is the subject. What he lights? The candles is the object. Is the object. When we are changing the active voice sentences into passive voice, when we are changing the active voice sentences into passive voice, we have to change the subject and object places. Subject goes to object place, object comes to subject place. What is the object here? The candles. The candles. The candles after, we have to use the helping verb. What are the helping verbs of present tense? Am, is, or. Here candles is the plural one. So we have to use are. Plural helping verb. Candles are. What is third form of light? Light third form is lit. Third form is lit. I like lit. Lit after by. Third form after we have to use by. Lit by. Then subject. What subject here? He. He turned into him. Yesterday I said you. I turn into me. You turn into you only. We turn it into us. He turned into him. She turned into her. It turned into it only. They turned into them. When we are changing into past voice. So he turned into him. Now the candles are lit by him is a passive voice sentence. Okay? Complete. Completed. Understand? Now simple present tense over now. Present continuous. One more question is given. Does she teach you? This is the question. This is the simple interrogative question. Simple interrogative question. Does she teach you? Does she teach you? This is a question. Interrogative question. Simple interrogative question. When we are changing into passive, ఈ హ్యాడ్ యాక్చువల్లీ అనేది సింపుల్ ప్రెజెంట్లో ఉంది కాబట్టి డస్ అనే హెల్పింగ్ వర్బ్ వచ్చింది. మరి మనం ప్యాసివ్లో ఏం హెల్పింగ్ వర్బ్స్ తీసుకుంటాం? am, is or no? So what we have to use now? Here is she, no? Here, no. Does she teach you? She is the subject, you is the object. You is there. That's what we have to take the helping verb of are. Are you? Are you? Forget about are, Amma. You. Does forget about does and forget about are. You are is here. You are. Then third form. What is third form? Taught. You are taught by. She turned into her. You are taught by her. Are you taught by her? Are you taught by her? That is the question. This is the simple interrogative passive question, passive sentence. Simple interrogative passive sentence. How to make the questions? Actually, you are taught by her. Normal ga manam simple ఏమన్నా స్టేట్మెంట్ ఎలా ఉంటుందిరా అంటే యు ఆర్ టాట్ బై హర్. ఇది దిస్ ఇస్ సెంటెన్స్. యు ఆర్ టాట్ బై హర్. బట్ we are asking the question now, so that's what are come first. ది క్వశ్చన్ కాబట్టి ఆర్ యు టాట్ బై హర్ అనే క్వశ్చన్ వచ్చింది. ఓకే, సింపుల్ ప్రెజెంట్ ఈస్ కంప్లీటెడ్. నెక్స్ట్ ప్రెజెంట్ కంటిన్యూస్. Next, present continuous. Present and continuous structure is subject plus am is our plus verb fourth form plus object. When we are changing into passive, object plus am is or plus being plus being plus verb third form by plus object, by plus subject. Now example, I am driving a car. I am driving a car. I am driving a car. Amma, I am driving a car. Here, when we are, it is an active sentence. When we are changing into passive, first find out the subject and object. This is subject. Car is the object. Car comes first. Subject goes to last. A car. Car after am is on. Car is. Car is after being. We have to use being. ఎందుకు బీయింగ్ పెట్టాం రా అంటే ఇక్కడ మనకు వర్బ్ ఫోర్త్ ఫామ్ ఉంది కదా, ఈయింగ్ ఫామ్ ఇక్కడ యాడ్ చేస్తాం. యాడ్ చేసి వర్బ్ థర్డ్ ఫామ్ పెడతాం. బీయింగ్, డ్రైవింగ్ థర్డ్ ఫామ్. డ్రైవింగ్ థర్డ్ ఫామ్ ఇస్ డ్రైవెన్. డ్రైవెన్ బై ఐ టర్న్ ఇంటూ మీ. ఏ కార్ ఈస్ బీయింగ్ డ్రైవెన్ బై మీ. Follow the structure and change. Follow the structure to change. Understand me? Here object plus am is or plus being plus verb third form plus by plus subject. When we are changing into passive, subject goes to object plus, object comes to subject plus. Object comes to subject place, subject goes to object place. What is object? A car. A car. Am is a helping is present tense కాబట్టి am is are helping verbs ఉంటాయి. Is a car is singular, no? So is being. నేను ఇక్కడ being ఎందుకు పెట్టాను? ఇది verb ing form లో ఉంది. యాక్చువల్లీ నేను passive voice అనగానే verb third forms. మనం passive voice లో చేస్తున్నప్పుడు ఖచ్చితంగా verb third form ఏ యూస్ చేస్తాం. అది verb ఏ ఫామ్ లో ఉన్న యాక్టివ్ వాయిస్ లో passive లో చేంజ్ చేసేటప్పుడు థర్డ్ ఫామ్ పెట్టుకోవాలి. అర్థమవుతుందా? యాక్టివ్ వాయిస్ లో వర్బ్ ఏ ఫామ్లో ఉన్నా యాక్టివ్ వాయిస్లో వర్బ్ ఏ ఫామ్లో ఉన్నా సరే ప్యాస్లో చేంజ్ చేసేటప్పుడు మనము వర్బ్ థర్డ్ ఫామే యూస్ చేస్తాం. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ యాక్చువల్లీ ది ప్రజెంట్ కంటిన్యూస్ స్ట్రక్చర్ కదా, ప్రజెంట్ కంటిన్యూస్ సెంటెన్స్. ప్రజెంట్ కంటిన్యూస్ సెంటెన్స్ మీన్స్ వర్బ్ ఫోర్త్ ఫామ్కి ఇంగ్ ఫామ్ ఉంటుంది కదా, ఆ ఇంగ్ ఫామ్ని మనం బీయింగ్ యాడ్ చేసుకుంటాం. ఆ ఇంగ్ ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసింది. నెక్స్ట్ థర్డ్ ఫామ్ బై ప్లస్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్. A car is being driven by me. Okay, next are you painting the house? ఒక క్వశ్చన్ ఇస్తాను. are you painting the house? Are you painting the house? Amma, what is the subject here? You is a subject, the house is the object. Right here, the house. The house. Actually, this is a question. This is the question. So, here he used are. We have to use is because this is a single one. Kada you to manam are use chestam. You are antam. Here, the house is a singular one. So, I use is. Is the house amma being ఈ ఇంగ్ ఫామ్ ఉంది కదరా, యాక్చువల్లీ సేమ్ థింగ్ నాన్న. ఈ ఈజ్ ఒకటి ముందుకు వస్తుంది. లేదు మీరు ఎలా చేంజ్ చేసుకోండి, మీకు ఎంత ఇబ్బందిగా అనిపిస్తుంటే ఇలా చేంజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు మీరు. ఇక్కడ ఆర్ యూ పెయింటింగ్ ద హౌస్ ఉంది కదా, యు ఆర్ పెయింటింగ్ ద హౌస్. నార్మల్లీ స్టేట్మెంట్ అవుతుంది యు ఆర్ పెయింటింగ్ ద హౌస్, అంతేనా? దిస్ ఇస్ అ స్టేట్మెంట్. ఇలా చేంజ్ చేసుకొని ఇప్పుడు క్వశ్చన్ ప్యాస్లో చేంజ్ చేయండి. ప్యాస్లో ఎలా చేంజ్ చేస్తాం? ద హౌస్ ఈజ్ being painted. House is being painted, third form, by you turn into you only. Amma, the house is being painted by you. But we are changing into question now. మనం ఎప్పుడైనా క్వశ్చన్లో చేంజ్ చేసేటప్పుడు హెల్పింగ్ వర్బ్ ముందుకు వస్తుంది. అంటే ఇక్కడికి వస్తుంది హెల్పింగ్ వర్బ్ ఇక్కడికి వస్తుంది. Is the house being painted by you? This is the question. She is going to market. How to change a question? Is she going to market? హెల్పింగ్ వర్బ్ ముందు తీసుకొచ్చి పెట్టామనుకో అది క్వశ్చన్ అవుతుంది. దట్ ఈస్ ఇంటరాగేషన్ క్వశ్చన్. మనం హెల్పింగ్ వర్బ్ తీసుకొచ్చి ముందు పెడితే క్వశ్చన్ అవుతుంది. యాక్చువల్లీ ఇది యు ఆర్ పెయింటింగ్ ద హౌస్. మనం క్వశ్చన్ అడుగుతున్నాం కాబట్టి ఏం చేసింది ఇక్కడ హెల్పింగ్ వర్బ్ ముందు తీసుకొచ్చి పెట్టాడు. ఆర్ యూ పెయింటింగ్ ద హౌస్? దట్ ఇస్ అ క్వశ్చన్. క్వశ్చన్ సింపుల్గా మీరు చేయొచ్చు. మనం హెల్పింగ్ వర్బ్ తీసుకొచ్చి ముందు పెట్టామనుకో క్వశ్చన్ అవుతుంది. ఐ ఆమ్ ఈటింగ్. Am I eating? యామ్ ముందు తీసుకొచ్చి పెట్టామనుకో అది క్వశ్చన్. అండర్స్టాండ్? సెంటెన్స్ చేంజ్ చేసుకొని హెల్పింగ్ వర్బ్ ముందు తీసుకొచ్చి పెట్టారనుకో అయిపోయాయి, ఇంటరాగేటివ్ క్వశ్చన్ తయారైపోయింది. దిస్ ఇస్ ద present continuous passive voice interrogative question. Okay, next present perfect. Present perfect. Amma, what is the structure of present perfect? Subject plus have or has plus verb third form plus object. When we are changing into passive voice, this is the active sentence structure. Passive sentence structure now. Passive voice ela change avutara ante object comes first and have and has is regular. Have or has plus been turn అవుతుంది plus been plus verb third form by plus object. Example ఇస్తాను చూడండి. Example, she has stolen my book. She has stolen my book. She has stolen my book. Okay, she has stolen my book. What subject? She is a subject, my book is the object. Subject comes to object place, object comes to subject place, subject goes to object place. Means my book is here. My book. Amma, singular one, it is also singular one. Singular ki has పెడతాం, plural ki have పెడతాం. We have, they have, Raju and Sita have, the books have. Have is used with the plural noun. Has is used with the singular noun. Book is a singular one. She also singular one. So we used has. Book has after been. Has been. Plus verb third form. Passive antene verb third form. Passive means verb third form. Steal, stole, stolen. Actually nana has తర్వాత ఉండేది కూడా థర్డ్ ఫామ్. హ్యావ్ హ్యాస్ తో పాటు వచ్చేది కూడా థర్డ్ ఫామే. హ్యావ్, హ్యాస్ అండ్ హ్యాడ్. హ్యాడ్ ఇస్ ద థర్డ్ ఫామ్. దిస్ ఇస్ థర్డ్ ఫామ్. స్టోలెన్ బై, she turned into her. She turned into her. The book has stolen by her. This is a passive sentence. Passive is present perfect sentence. Okay? Next. Simple present. Simple past. Simple past. Simple past sentence. Simple past subject plus verb 2 plus object. అమ్మ సింపుల్ ప్రజెంట్ టెన్స్లోమో వర్బ్ ఫస్ట్ ఫామ్ ఉంటుంది, సింపుల్ పాస్ట్లోమో వర్బ్ సెకండ్ ఫామ్ ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ప్లస్ పాస్ట్ కాబట్టి వాజ్ వర్ని హెల్పింగ్ వర్బ్ తీసుకుంటాం మనం ఇక్కడ. యామ్ ఇస్ ఎప్పుడు తీసుకుంటాం? ప్రజెంట్కి. We will take present and is are to the present tense sentence, was were to the past tense sentence. Was or were plus verb third form by plus subject. Example, Sunil's grandmother told good stories. Ali repaired the computer. Example, Ali repaired the computer. Ali repaired the computer. Amma subject is Ali, object is computer. The computer is object. When we are changing into passive, object comes to subject place, subject goes to object place. The computer. Amma, this is a verb second form. Verb is in second form. Verb is in second form. Means past. Verb second form antene past. Past tense helping verbs are was, were. మనం గుడ్డిగా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాల్సింది am, is, or are the present tense helping verbs. Was, were are the past tense helping verb. Okay? Here computer after helping verbs. What are the helping verbs are there? Was, were. Computer is a singular noun. So we have to use was. Computer was after verb third form. What is the third form of verb? Repair, repaired, repaired. Third form also repaired. Repaired after by. Repaired by whom? By Ali. This is the passive simple past sentence. Okay? Next. Past continuous sentence. Past continuous tense. Past continuous tense. Example. Structure subject place was verb plus verb fourth form plus object. This is the structure of active voice. When we are changing it to passive, object plus was verb plus being. మళ్ళీ being ఎందుకు పెట్టాను అప్పుడు చెప్పాను నీకు ప్రెసెంట్ ఫామ్ లో ఇక్కడ ఇన్ ఫామ్ ఉంది కాబట్టి being పెట్టుకుంటాం అక్కడ. Passive అనగానే verb should be in third form. Verb third form by plus subject. Example. Kiran was eating dinner. Kiran was eating dinner. Kiran was eating dinner. This is the past continuous tense. Past అని ఎలా తెలిసింది మనకు? Was ఉంది కాబట్టి. Was were are the indicators of past. Was were are the indicators of past. Eating is the indicator of continuous. Ing form undi ante continuous form. This is the past continuous form. Now first of all we have to find out the subject and object. Kiran is subject, dinner is object. Subject comes to object place, object goes to subject place. Dinner. మా డిన్నర్ ఇస్ అ సింగులర్ వన్. డిన్నర్ ఎప్పుడు సింగిలే కాబట్టి వాజ్ అని హెల్పింగ్ వర్బే తీసుకోవాలి. వాజ్ ఇస్ అ హెల్పింగ్ వర్బ్ ఆఫ్ సింగులర్. Dinner was after being means being only. Being after verb third form. Eat, ate, eaten. Eaten by Kiran. Okay? This is the passive past continuous sentence. Dinner was being eaten by Kiran. Okay? Next. Past perfect. Past perfect. Subject place. Past had. Have, has are the present perfect helping verbs. Had is the past perfect helping verb. Had of ఎప్పుడు మన థర్డ్ ఫామే వస్తుంది. హ్యావ్, హ్యాస్ అండ్ హ్యాడ్ ఆర్ హ్యావింగ్ ద వర్బ్ థర్డ్ ఫామ్ ప్లస్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్. వెన్ we are changing into passive voice. This is the active voice structure. This is the passive voice structure. Object plus had plus been plus verb third form by plus subject. Example. We had already visited that park. Sam had washed the car. Sam had washed the car. Sam had washed the car. Okay? Here had is the indicator of past perfect. Had plus verb third form is a indicator of past perfect structure. And now we have to find out the subject and object. Sam is subject, car is object. Subject comes to object place, object goes to subject place. Means the car is here. The car had only. See the structure. Had after been. Had been after verb third form. Third form washed only. Washed. Third form also washed. Actually ఇక్కడ ఉన్నది third form. ఎందుకు హ్యావ్ ఆఫ్టర్ హ్యాజ్ ఆఫ్టర్ హ్యాడ్ ఆఫ్టర్ ఏ ఫామ్ వస్తుంది? థర్డ్ ఫామే వస్తుంది. అదే సెంటెన్స్ అయినా సరే, ఏ సెంటెన్స్లో అయినా హ్యావ్ ప్లస్ హ్యాజ్ థర్డ్ ఫామ్ ఆర్ హ్యాడ్ ప్లస్ థర్డ్ ఫామ్, దట్ ఈస్ లైక్ దట్ ఓన్లీ. ఇట్ వోంట్ బి చేంజ్. The car had been washed by Sam. Okay, this is an example of past perfect past by sentence. Okay, now last one is future, simple future. Future as given to you now. Simple future. Simple future. Simple future active voice structure is subject plus will or shall plus verb first form plus object. When we are changing into passive, object will or shall plus be. We have to use be extra. Be plus verb third form, by plus subject. Example. My dad will play the keys. She will buy some flowers. She will buy some flowers. Amma, what is the subject here? Amma will or shall వచ్చినంట future. Will or shall. If you see the will or shells in the sentence, that is a symbol of future. Okay? And verb first form. So that is the simple future tense. Find out the subject. She is the subject and some flowers are the objects. Object comes to subject place, subject goes to object place. Some flowers. Some flowers after will. Will after be. Will be. Turn into verb that form. By, bought. Or third form is bought by she. She turned, when I already said I turned into me. We turned into us. When we are changing into passive. When we are changing to passive or ఆబ్జెక్ట్ కేసులో ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ప్లేస్లో వెళ్ళినప్పుడు ఇలా చేంజ్ అవుతుంది. సబ్జెక్ట్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ప్లేస్లో వెళ్ళినప్పుడు ఐ మీగా టర్న్ అవుతుంది, వి అస్గా టర్న్ అవుతుంది, దే టర్న్ ఇంటూ దెమ్, షీ టర్న్ ఇంటూ హర్, హీ టర్న్ ఇంటూ హిమ్, అండ్ యూ ఓన్లీ, అండ్ ఆల్సో యూ ఇట్ దే వోంట్ బి చేంజ్. నౌ షీ టర్న్ ఇంటూ హర్. Some flowers will be bought by her. This is the passive simple future tense. Amma, according to our textbook, these forms are given. It is enough to you for your 5th standard. Okay? It is more than you. If you study well, this sentence, it's enough to you. Okay? Today's class is completed. Bye.